Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of Creative Corner. Today, I have for you Halloween lanterns, which should be fun. But before we actually get into our demonstration, I would like to go over some of the materials that I will be using today. The materials I have for today's demonstration, I have some Halloween printed fabric. I also have some glitter, acrylic paint, some Mod Podge, and this is the lantern that we'll be making today. So I don't know if you can tell, but I have a light inside. So we do have a variety of other lights. We have some tea lights, an actual candle, but inside this jar I have string lights. We also have our mason jar, a few paintbrushes, and a pair of scissors. So our example jar that I have for you, I have a lovely silhouette of a witch, some fabric around it, some string lights, as well as some glitter on the interior. If you request a supply kit with us, we do have limited supplies available, but you're going to get a mason jar. You can use any size jar to make this. I myself use a pickle jar for this one. And then what I did was I went online and I found a witch silhouette that I really liked, so that way I can put it on the side. But in our demonstration today, we're going to go ahead and freehand a jack-o'-lantern on our mason jar.
Five, four.
Thank you for joining me on today's session of Creative Corner. So I did this separately, but I did a witch jar. So if you want to do that, you're more than welcome to. We also did a jack-o'-lantern type jar too as well. I do have more examples available through our website, which I'll go ahead and put a direct link into the comments below. And something I did off screen was add this touch of fabric that has bats and pumpkins on it. You're more than welcome to do whatever you want. You can do a graveyard scene, you can do zombies, vampires, it's really up to you. But thank you for joining me on today's episode, and I shall see you next time.